You can manifest anything that you want by believing it before you see it. Anything that you can hold in your mind, you will soon hold in your hand. This is Jake Ducey with JakeDucey.com, and let's dive right into this video. So you may say, yeah, but you have to see it before you can believe it. You really think I could change my financial situation? Have you seen my bank account? Have you seen my grades that I got in school? And look at me. I'm kind of tubby. Look, I'm too skinny. Oh, look, I'm too old. I'm too young. I can't attract my soulmate because of this. And we use what we see with our eyes to convince us that our dreams are not possible. So if you want something, that's not enough. You have to believe it with every fiber of who you are. Just wanting it doesn't mean that you believe it. You may want something, but then you believe what your eyes tell you and you say, yeah, I would love to double my income, but have you seen my bank account? That's not possible. I would love to attract my soulmate, but there's no good guys where I live. There's no good girls where I live. If seeing is believing, why do you pay your electricity bill? Why do you pay your electricity bill? You see the effect of it, but you don't see the whole thing in motion. You just see the effect. And that's what creates the physical thing. And if you don't believe in electricity, because you can't see the whole process before it lights up the light bulb, stick your finger in a socket. Don't actually do that, but you don't see the whole process. And you don't see the whole process of your thoughts becoming things. And you may hold an image of what you want in your mind, and your mind wants to tell you it's not possible, but just because you can't see it doesn't mean it's not possible. Comment that down below. Just because I can't see it doesn't mean it's not possible. Just because you can't see it, it doesn't mean it's not possible. I saw myself reaching millions of people every single month on this YouTube channel. And if you go back to my earliest videos, you'll see many of them still have 100 views, 200 views, 300 views. I would make my videos and get like 9 views in the day. But I didn't look at myself getting 9 views. I saw that I got 90,000 views. At the end of the day, I was like, nice, I got 90,000 views today. I had to start changing the way that I was viewing what my eyes were telling me, the information my eyes was telling me. Steve Jobs says that the world was built by people no smarter than you, and when you realize that, you can mold it, shape it, and change it however you want, but the only way you can mold it, the only way you can shape it, and the only way you can change it is when you stop accepting the information that you're getting with your eyes. You'll see it when you believe it. I was telling myself every day, man, I'm so grateful now that I'm reaching millions of people on YouTube. But if you looked with your eyes at the reality with me, all you would see was like 40 views. You'd see like the way, if you look at the analytics of my YouTube channel, it goes from like 2 subscribers a day, 3 subscribers a day, 1 subscriber, -4, and then like a week later, all of a sudden, like 1,000 subscribers a day. It just randomly just took off. That's called a quantum leap. Quantum is non-linear. We think success is linear. Guess what? Your success isn't linear. What you want to manifest isn't linear. And we think linearly, but time is not linear. But what happens is we think linearly. So you say, I want more money, but A has to happen, then B has to happen, then C has to happen. My boss has to give me a raise, and he has to be nicer first, and then, for me to attract my soulmate, I'm gonna have to meet someone. I'm gonna have to start going out on online dating apps. I'm gonna start going on dates, and we go from A to B to C, and you don't get it. The most amazing things can happen tomorrow, and they do when you stop believing what you're seeing with your eyes. So comment that down below. What I see is not truth. Today, close your eyes and see the images of what you want. See the dreams that you want in your mind. So I want you to do me a huge favor when this video ends. I want you to close your eyes just for 20 seconds when this video ends. And I want you to imagine what you want. And I want you, while you're in that place, while you see it, while you step into that reality, I want you to say, thank you for this reality. Thank you, God. Thank you, universe, for this reality. Because what you see in here is just as real as what you see out there. Because what you see out there is a reflection off of what was first imagined. Everything that is real was once imagined. And by passionately believing in what does not yet exist, you create it. This is Jake Ducey with JakeDucey.com. Download my free success hypnosis, jakeshypnosis.com, right there down below. Hit the subscribe button and the bell notification. Even if you already subscribed, hit the bell notification. That's what notifies you for new videos. Hashtag down below, I create my reality. Hashtag down below, I create my reality. Guess what? Today, remember, your thoughts become things and you create your reality.